Hello and welcome to part 6 of Project Street Racer. This is the final phase, which is phase 3, which is the base. And as you can see, I've been working really hard on landscaping, so I'll talk about that in a bit. This is all ready now for painting, but I'm going to leave it for a day or two. I'll explain in a bit. So I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Obviously none of the electrics work, they're not wired up. They will be here, but I need to do the painting first and then the detailing, and then all the wiring will be done. So I was very pleased with the effect of the cobblestone roads, as you can see there. Really happy with how that's turned out. Obviously you can see the seams and the splits where I've glued it, but all that will be covered up with primer and detail and paint and all that. And there's the driver sat in her car ready to win the race, which is what she's about to do. You can see the flag waver there. She's on the one side, but I thought I'd put her there so it gives a nice bit of emphasis on there. There's also the spectators. There's the curbstones. I was really pleased with how the curbstones turned out. And what I literally did is this was all one long piece, so I literally just took it, cut it up, and then glued each segment into place. I wanted that uneven look. I also wanted the gaps in there just so it looks like a pavement and it's basically been worn. You've also got the pavement itself. I'm going to be spraying that, and I'm also going to be doing detail on that, and that'll look really effective. And obviously the street light is in place, so that's where it's going to be. I'm really happy with that. So I'll be doing the pavement, probably a grey colour, like a concrete colour, maybe a light green colour. I'm not entirely sure yet. The road will be the same as well, and I'll be detailing that as well, so it looks worn and it looks used, not brand new. The back wall, gonna paint this probably grey, and then or maybe a brick red, and then I'm gonna put moss and detail in there. Obviously these are going to be the signposts, and I've got 5 of them down here. I'm gonna have one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there, and these will be for the signs that I thought would really bring the model to life. So I do believe that one will be Jazz Bar, one will be Download, one will be Spiders, one will be Bad Wolf Gaming, and the other one will be for Purple Door. I just thought, well, why not, you know? So all those will go onto here, and I'm going to detail this, going to put moss in here, and then put some flocking on there so it looks like it's been there a while and it's been used and it's been worn and stuff is growing on it, just as it would do in real life. And obviously all this needs to set for a day or two. As you can see, the glue is still wet in there, so it's not a good idea to start painting and spraying when everything is still settling down here. Better off just leaving it for a day or two to let the whole lot settle down into itself, let all the glue completely dry and harden, everything gets used to its new position, and then spray it all up. It's been a lot of hard work and effort doing this, but I've really enjoyed it. And the effect it's given of a street racer is really effective, and overall I'm really pleased with this. So the next time you'll see this will be when it's all sprayed up, and I'll show that down. So there'll be all the detail for the road and the curbstones, the pavement, the back wall. They'll all be painted up, and I'll do another video on that, which will be part 7, and then part 8 will be the wiring, and then part 9 will probably be the final part, and that's it really. Done a lot of detailing as well on the car. Don't know if you can pick up on that, but I used some Tamiya dyes to really highlight the car and bring out the seams, and the wheels. I aged the wheels a little bit as well. I was really pleased with that. So that's that. I'm going to leave this for a day or two to let everything settle down and dry, and I'll see you all again in part 7 of Project Street Racer. So until then, take care, have a nice weekend, and please feel free to comment and give me your thoughts. Until then, bye.